Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by adjusting the resistance to your comfort level from 1 to 3 settings. Make sure the Ab Circle Pro is on a flat, stable surface to prevent wobbling. Sit on the padded seat with your back straight and place your feet securely on the pedals. Grip the handlebars firmly to maintain balance throughout your workout. This proper setup is crucial for an effective and safe exercise session. Now let's focus on the core movement. Engage your abdominal muscles as you swing your legs from side to side in a smooth, controlled arc. Remember to keep your upper body relatively stable, avoiding excessive twisting. The goal is to feel the contraction in your obliques and lower abs. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side to start, gradually increasing as you get stronger. To specifically target your obliques, add a slight twist to your torso as you swing your legs. As your legs move to the right, gently twist your upper body to the left, and vice versa. This subtle rotation intensifies the workout on your side abdominal muscles. Keep your movements fluid and controlled, focusing on the muscle engagement. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions on each side for optimal results. For an advanced workout, increase the resistance to level 3. You can also try incorporating short, 30-second breaks between your sets to maximize muscle recovery. Always prioritize proper form over speed to prevent any potential strain or injury. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after your exercise. Consistency is key for achieving your fitness goals with the Ab Circle Pro.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.